Today we're reviewing this rapid staple gun. We've had it for about 3 years already, and so far it's helped us build many things in our garden. It's really good for materials such as wood. To put the staples is as easy as pressing over here, down, up, sorry. Once you press up, it will just go out like this. As you see, here are the staples that we've added. Just make sure that it clicks, and this is how it looks. It's really good for repetitive use. We've built all this stuff with staples. It's really good for gardening work. So this rapid staple gun